Second restore, guys. This one used to be really good, and then at some point, like a lot of them, they changed and I stopped finding good stuff. These I can use. It's too bad there's no motor with them, but I can definitely use those. What are these? Too small. Those I can use. Also, those would have been a good motor too. So it's clear they've been scrapping some good motors lately. I'm having trouble doing this with one hand, so let me just finish looking real quick and then I'll come back. Anybody care about the floral ones? They're cool, but I don't know what I would do with them. That's sealed. Contemporary hugger. Nice universal. I don't need it, but $10 is a good deal. Okay, I'm gonna go through the, that's cute. I'll go through the blades a little deeper. But, I'd probably get those two sets of blades. Did I go through this one? I can't remember. Okay, that's nice, but not for me. Okay, thanks for watching.